Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Land Rover Discovery Sport. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your liking for the best view and control. Locate the gear selector, usually a rotary dial, and the electronic parking brake. Make sure everyone is safely buckled in and you're ready for the next step in starting your adventure. Once you're settled, press the brake pedal firmly and push the engine start/stop button. The Discovery Sport will come to life with a smooth hum. Next, rotate the gear selector dial to D for drive. To get moving, simply press the electronic parking brake button to release it. Remember to always be gentle with the accelerator pedal, especially when starting off, for a smooth and controlled departure. The Land Rover Discovery Sport is equipped with advanced features like terrain response. This system allows you to optimize the vehicle settings for different surfaces, from grass and gravel to snow and mud. Simply select the mode that matches your environment. For steep descents, hill descent control automatically maintains a slow, steady speed. And if you're on a very slippery surface, low traction launch can provide extra grip to get you moving safely. When you've reached your destination, bring the Discovery Sport to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Then, rotate the gear selector to P for park and engage the electronic parking brake. Finally, press the engine start/stop button to turn off the vehicle. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Land Rover Discovery Sport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.